everyone, and welcome back to another Stay Healthy and Waste Less class. My name is Ella and I'm a volunteer here with Leah's Pantry. Before we begin, I have a special announcement. Thanks to our partners at Fresh Approach and San Mateo Office of Sustainability, we will be giving away $6 farmers market vouchers to the first 20 people to view each video and fill out a brief survey. The link will be provided at the end of the video. Alright, let's get into the kitchen and get cooking. Today I will be making Veggie Bean Wraps. This recipe calls for a half a cup of cilantro, 1 onion, 1 lime, 1 avocado, 1 can of black beans, 2 bell peppers, 2 mangoes, and 4 10-inch tortillas. This recipe is great if you have any old can of beans in your pantry. Cans of beans are safe to eat 3 years past the printed code date. And if you don't have black beans, this recipe also is great with pinto beans, kidney beans, or even navy beans. You'll probably have some leftover cilantro from this recipe. To keep delicate herbs like cilantro fresher for longer, pat the leaves dry to remove excess moisture. Don't wash them. Trim the ends, then place them in a jar with water. You can also cover the jar loosely with a plastic bag and refrigerate until ready to use. Treat them like a bouquet of flowers, change the water if they start to discolor, and remove dry and damaged leaves. Also trim the ends once in a while, and these herbs should last 1 to 2 weeks. If you have a bunch of cilantro or other herbs like mint or basil that is wilted, you can revive them by placing them in ice water to shock them back to life. Just cut off the stems and remove any dry or damaged parts. Soak them in a large bowl with cold water and ice for about 15 to 30 minutes until they perk up. Drain and dry them, then store and place the herbs in an airtight container wrapped in a dry paper towel. It's best to use them in a few days. First, we need to prepare the ingredients. Seed and chop the bell peppers. Peel and slice the onion. Drain and rinse the beans. Chop the mangoes. Next, juice the lime. Chop the cilantro. Next, peel and dice the avocado. Next, sauté the bell peppers and onion in a non-stick pan over medium heat for 5 minutes. Add the beans and stir well, and then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 5 minutes. In a bowl, combine the mango, lime juice, avocado, and cilantro. Next, fill each warmed tortilla with 1/4 of the bean mixture. And then place 1/4 of the mango mixture on top. Then fold it into a wrap and place on a plate and add some more of the mango mixture on top. Serve and enjoy! Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to fill out our online form to receive your Veggie RX Vouchers. Stay healthy and waste less, everyone!